Leftovers, Billy. Leftovers.
So, what else is new?
Anybody want a nice, red, juicy piece of watermelon?
Poor noodles. Poor old noodles. How would you like some noodles?
Now, don't tease him, Billy. Here you go, doggy. I've got a treat for you. Nice, wet, gloppy noodles. Chow down.
Kill the egg roll! Kill the egg roll!
Oh, man, cut it out. It looks like gut.
Wacky, gopher gut.
Okay, Buffy.
Climbing up the wall and splashing on your head.
That's enough, sweetheart.
And falling to the ground and...
Buffy, that's enough.
What's the matter, boy? You got something against slop?
You know, I don't think he's feeling well, Skip.
Boy, me neither.